हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल प्रीति चौधरी। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे GMCH चंडीगढ़ 2022 एग्ज़ाम पेपर पार्ट सेकंड। पार्ट फर्स्ट मैंने वीडियो अपलोड कर दिया है और इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में उसकी लिंक मिल जाएगी, वहाँ से भी आप चेक कर सकते हैं। अब क्वेश्चन है 51। ट्रोकेंटर रोल इज यूज टू A. Prevent internal rotation of hip when patient is in recumbent position. B. Prevent external rotation of hip when patient is in recumbent position. C. Prevent internal rotation of hip when patient is in standing position. D. Prevent external rotation of hip when patient in standing position. Right answer है B. Prevent external rotation of hip when patient is in recumbent position. Next है 52. Wrist drop is a condition in which flexor muscle of wrist and digits do not work. B. Extensor muscle of wrist and digit do not work. Abductor muscle of wrist and digit do not work, and adductor muscle of wrist and digit do not work. Right answer B. Extensor muscle of wrist and digit do not work. Next question है 53. The best nursing practice to prevent ventilator associated pneumonia. Reduce exposure to mechanical ventilation, excellent oral care and subglottic suctioning, promoting early mobility. All of these. Right answer है D. All of these. 54. Ideal solution for replacement of intravascular volume non-hemorrhagic would be blood transfusion, blood substitute, isotonic solution, colloid solution. Right answer है C. Isotonic solution. Next question. Most common cause of postpartum hemorrhage: bleeding disorder, abruptio placenta, placenta previa, atonic uterus. Right answer है D. Atonic uterus. 56. Which of the following cells of the body are in almost constant mitosis? Nerve cell, stomach cell, muscle cell, renal cell. Right answer C. Muscle cell. Next question 57. The total lung capacity in a healthy adult. Total lung capacity healthy adult male is approximately 500 ml, 5000 ml, 600 ml, 6000 ml. Right answer D. 6000 ml. 58. Which among the following is an example of an isotonic intravenous solution? A. Dextrose plus normal saline, 10% dextrose, 0.45% NaCl and ringer lactate. Right answer D. Ringer lactate. WHO declared the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak as a public health emergency of international concern on जनवरी 30, 2020, जनवरी 13, 2020, जनवरी 23, 2020, जनवरी 27, 2020. राइट आंसर है ए. जनवरी 30, 2020. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 60. In which of the following clients is a rectal temperature most usually contraindicated? Rectal temperature contraindicated. A. Client who has had a myocardial infarction. B. Client with Parkinson disease. C. Client who is prone to seizure. And D. Client with neuropathology associated with diabetes. Right answer है A. Client who has had a myocardial infarction. 61. In meiosis, how many daughter cells are produced? Right answer C. 4. Which hormone produced by ovaries inhibit the secretion of FSH and LH? A. Progesterone. B. Estrogen. C. Inhibin. D. GnRH. Right answer D. GnRH. Next question 63. The enzyme pepsin digests in which dietary component? A. Protein. B. Fat. C. Carbohydrate. और D. Vitamin. Right answer है C. A. Protein. Next question 64. Most abundant tissue in the human body: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue, muscle tissue. Right answer है B. Connective tissue. Quality assurance in nursing is concerned with एडिक्वेसी ऑफ केयर, प्रैक्टिस रेटिंग, स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल प्रैक्टिस। राइट आंसर स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ प्रैक्टिस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 66, डिफॉर्मिटी ऑफ बोन रिजल्टिंग इन स्प्रेंगल शोल्डर, स्केपुला, रेडियस, अल्ना, टिबिया। राइट आंसर है ए स्केपुला। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्मॉल पॉक्स वैक्सीन वाज इन्वेंटेड बाय लुइस पास्टर, पाउल एजेन, एडवर्ड जेनर, जॉन स्नो। राइट आंसर है सी एडवर्ड जेनर। एमियोबियासिस इज ट्रांसमिटेड थ्रू फिको ओरल रूट, वेक्टर बोन, पैरेंट्रल, एयरबोन। राइट आंसर फिको ओरल रूट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 69, मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ विटामिन डी इज फाउंड इन विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग, लीवर, चीज, एग योक, कोड लीवर ऑयल। राइट आंसर डी कोड लीवर ऑयल। नेक्स्ट 73, डायरिया, डिमेंशिया, डर्मेटाइटिस आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ विच डेफिशिएंसी डिसऑर्डर, थायामीन, बायोटीन, नियासिन, राइबोफ्लेविन। राइट आंसर है सी नियासिन। नेक्स्ट 71, सर्जिकल ऑपरेशन इन विच एन ओपनिंग इज मेड थ्रू द एब्डोमिनल वॉल टू एनेबल डिस्चार्ज ऑफ वेस्ट into the ileum to enable discharge of waste without passing through the colon is ileostomy, gastroscopy, arthroscopy, vasectomy. Right answer A ileostomy. Next question 72, which of the following client complaint require immediately nursing intervention? 40-year-old client with sharp severe pain due to renal stone not relieved by analgesic, 35-year-old client with fractured femur complaining of sharp chest pain, both A and B, a client ulcerative colitis having lower abdominal pain. Right answer B 35-year-old client with fractured femur complaining of sharp chest pain. Next question 73, in a psychiatric ward which of the following patients should the nurse assess first? A patient suffering from chronic schizophrenia who is withdrawn. B, a patient with an acute attack of severe anxiety. C, a patient with agoraphobia who is stay in her room all day. A patient with depression complaining of constipation. Right answer B, a patient with an acute attack of severe anxiety. Next question 74, medical treatment of coronary artery disease include which of the following procedure? Cardiac catheterization, oral medication administration, coronary artery bypass grafting, percutaneous transluminal coronary angioplasty. Right answer है B oral medication administration. Next 75, Heimlich maneuver is used to clear foreign body from airway, remove foreign body from eye, remove foreign body from ear, none of these. Right answer है A clear foreign body from airway. Next question 76, carpal tunnel syndrome is caused by compression of radial nerve, medial nerve, ulnar nerve, axillary nerve. Carpal tunnel syndrome caused by compression of medial nerve. 77, in case of needle stick injury, first response to the nurse should be start preparing a report, talk to senior, wash the site with soap and water, check your immunization status. Never. Right answer है C wash the site with soap and water. Next question 78, the following article are essential component for crash cart in hospital except defibrillator, resuscitation meditation, material for peripheral intravenous access, stationary item. Right answer है D stationary item. Next question 79. An error in measuring blood pressure may result because of which of the following? The size or position of cuff is wrong. Patient arm position above the below and the level of heart. The sphygmomanometer pressed too firmly against brachial artery. Any of these. Right answer D. Any of these. Next 80. Apical pulse of a patient can be assessed by palpating radial artery, palpating brachial artery, auscultating heart, palpating carotid artery. Right answer C. Auscultating heart. C. Next question 81. Bedside assessment of respiration by nursing professional include all of the following except respiratory rhythm, pattern and regularity, depth of breathing, assessment of any injury to chest, effort associated with breathing. Right answer है C. Assessment of any injury to chest. 82. What should be the nurse immediate decision on physician order of give 1 unit of blood intravenously? A. Prepare the patient, collect blood unit and clarify the order with the physician prior to administer, seeking assistance from the head nurse, nursing supervisor, collect blood unit and transfuse the patient, clarify the order with physician, prepare the patient and collect. Right answer है D. Clarify the order with physician, prepare the patient and collect. Next 83. When should the baseline vital sign be recorded before initiating blood transfusion? A. Within 30 minutes, within 1 hour, within 1.5 hour, within 2 hours. Right answer A. Within 30 minutes. 84. A nurse should check the availability and patency of an intravenous access line before bringing blood unit to ward. After bringing blood unit to ward, while transfusing blood, not required to be. Right answer before bringing blood unit to ward. A. Next question 85. Evidence based clinical practice recommendation of nursing care for acute stroke patient include all of the following except A. Rapid identification and triage, enable delivery of relevant time critical treatment, observe the patient, rapid transfer the acute stroke unit for ongoing assessment and provision for further treatment. Right answer C. Observe the patient. Next question 86. The first priority in emergency department management of acute burn injury would be cleaning the wound, fluid replacement therapy, maintaining airway, breathing and circulation, starting medication. Right answer C. Maintaining airway, breathing and circulation. 87. In clinical situation, which method for hand hygiene is to be preferred? Wash with soap and water, use alcohol based hand sanitizer, clean your hand only when it is visible soiled, none of these. Right answer B. Use alcohol based hand sanitizer. Next 88. For hand hygiene procedure, which parameter are most important? Time duration of hand washing, technique of hand washing, both A and B, none of these. Right answer C. Both A and B. Time duration of hand washing, technique of hand washing. Next 89. Which nursing intervention would best prevent development of deep vein thrombosis या pulmonary embolism in a post surgical patient? A. Hydration and physical movement of patient, psychological counseling of patient, bed management, keeping patient. Right answer A, hydration and physical movement of patient. Next 90. A patient of anemia with hemoglobin of 7 gram percentage has been advised iron injection as the preferred therapy by the physician. On being given the prescribed injection by intramuscular route, the patient suddenly developed breathlessness, nausea and hypotension. What would be the most probable cause? A, wrong site of injection. B, wrong technique of injection. C, anaphylaxis. Or D, heart attack. Right answer C, anaphylaxis. Next 91. Normal rectal temperature is typically lesser than oral temperature, equal to oral temperature, greater than oral temperature, no relation to oral temperature. Right answer C, greater than oral temperature. 92. If a patient is complaining of orthopnea, it is best to make him lie down straight on bed, sit on bed in upright position, walk around in the room, be in any position. Right answer B, sit on the bed in upright position. Next the best strategy to prevent cannula site infection is periodic training of healthcare professional, use of hand hygiene and aseptic technique of insertion, skin antisepsis, and D, frequent change of cannula. राइट आंसर हो जाएगा 93 B, use of hand hygiene and aseptic technique for insertion. Next 94. Immediate nursing care activities for an unconscious patient include all of the following except A, maintain airway patency, B, maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance, C, maintaining nutrition, and D, medication management. राइट आंसर है C, maintaining nutrition. Immediate nursing care, maintain nutrition. 95. Early indicator of hypoxia in a patient is anxiety, restlessness, B, fall in oxygen saturation of blood, C, cyanosis, and D, hypertension. राइट आंसर है A, anxiety and restlessness. Next 96. The first response of a nurse on noticing suspected blood transfusion reaction should be inform the patient attendants, call the doctor, stop the transfusion, monitor urine output. Blood transfusion reaction, right answer stop the transfusion. Next 97. The most important intended outcome of using side rail on patient bed would be preventing the patient from fall injury, to provide support to drip set, C, to help in bed hygiene management, and D, to restrain the patient. Right answer A, preventing the patient from fall injury. Next 98. In a patient diagnosed of having an acute anaphylactic attack, the first nursing care response would be administer epinephrine, call the family, look for causative agent, check the medication chart. Right answer administer epinephrine. 99. The cardinal sign of cardiac arrest include all of the following except cardinal sign of cardiac arrest: apnea, dilated non-reactive pupil, cold clammy skin, absence of carotid and femoral pulse. Right answer C, cold clammy skin. Next 100 and last question. The correct sequence of cardiopulmonary रिससिटेशन इंक्लूड एयरवे, ब्रीथिंग, सर्कुलेशन, सर्कुलेशन, ब्रीथिंग, एयरवे, ब्रीथिंग, सर्कुलेशन, एयरवे, हाइड्रेशन, ब्रीथिंग, एयरवे। राइट आंसर है करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ कार्डियो रिससिटेशन इंक्लूड। राइट आंसर है ए, एयरवे, ब्रीथिंग एंड सर्कुलेशन। थैंक्स फ्रेंड।